When we're doing drone mapping, of course, we use unmanned aerial vehicles or drones. What's good about drones is we can use this every day and capture data whenever we want to. So if ever I decide that I want to investigate a certain area, I can fly the drone over there and collect data. This is good for long-term monitoring because it is up to us when we want to capture the data. So for example, we're monitoring floods. We can have a methodology where we can collect data either weekly, monthly, or yearly, and use this information to do forecasting and predictions of, for example, what areas can be flooded and where we can evacuate our residents. So drone data, along with satellite images, captured, of course, by satellites, are useful for things like disaster preparedness and landscape monitoring whenever there are natural hazards.